In today's video, I'll show you how to hide stock quantity in WooCommerce in just a couple of minutes. If you don't want customers seeing exactly how many items you have left, whether for privacy, branding, or to avoid low stock discouragement, this quick guide is for you. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, find WooCommerce, then click Settings. Once you're on the settings page, look at the tabs along the top and select Products. Beside the Products section, click on Inventory. This page contains all your stock management options. What you need to find is the checkbox labeled Display Stock Quantity on product pages or Display Stock Remaining. The wording may vary slightly depending on your version. If the box is checked, WooCommerce is currently showing stock numbers to your customers. To hide this information, simply uncheck the box. This stops the front end of your store from revealing exactly how many units you have left. Once you've unchecked it, scroll down and click Save Changes. This is important. Your updates won't apply unless you save. And that's it. You've now hidden stock quantities on your WooCommerce store in less than 2 minutes. If you want more quick WooCommerce tutorials like this, feel free to check out the next videos. Happy selling!